In this video, I will show you how to type infinity approximately symbol in Microsoft Word. So guys, you will find this symbol key near the numbers key before number 1 and top on the tab key. So press one time and you have to press any letter or space bar. But make sure you can type approximately using the shift. So press shift and that key. Now type any letter or just space bar. Like this. Once you press and hold, so you can type as many as you need. And another way, insert equation and you will find this symbol approximately selected. So thanks for watching.